Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will find the surface area of a cube. Here we have a cube. A cube is three-dimensional. It has 6 faces. We can see the 6 faces by looking at a net of a cube. Let's count the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each face is a square. We have 6 squares. All edges or sides are equal in length. So we know that every side is equal in length. We know that when we find the area of squares or rectangles, we can multiply the length times the width. In this case, they are the same length, so we can call it side length A and side length A because they are equal in length. Since we're multiplying A times A, we can simplify that as A squared. So we will take side length A and multiply it by side length A, or we can just say A squared. But remember, cubes have 6 faces, so we have to do A squared 6 times. That means that the surface area formula of a cube is surface area equals 6A squared. A squared 6 times. This cube has a side length of 5 centimeters. Let's write the formula. Surface area equals 6A squared. Let's plug in A. We know A is 5 centimeters. So we will write surface area equals 6 times 5 squared. Since we have an exponent, let's solve 5 squared first. 5 times 5 is 25. Now we need to bring down the 6. Surface area equals 6 times 25. That means the surface area is 150 centimeters squared. We can say that the surface area of the cube is 150 centimeters squared. Or we can say the surface area of the cube is 150 square centimeters. This cube has a side length of 20 inches. Let's write the surface area formula for a cube. Surface area equals 6A squared. Let's write surface area equals 6. Let's plug in the 20 because we know the side length A is 20 squared. Now let's solve 20 squared because that's an exponent. 20 times 20 is 400. Let's bring down the 6. Surface area equals 6 times 400. We know 6 times 4 is 24 and we need to append the 2 zeros. Surface area equals 2,400 inches squared. We can say that as the surface area of the cube is 2,400 inches squared. Or we can say the surface area of the cube is 2,400 square inches. This cube has a side length of 12 feet. Let's write the formula for surface area of a cube. Surface area equals 6A squared. Let's plug in A. We know this side length is 12 feet. So we will write surface area equals 6 times 12 squared. Now let's solve the exponent. 12 squared. 12 times 12 is 144. Let's bring down the 6. We know that surface area will be 864 feet squared. We can say the surface area of the cube is 864 feet squared. Or we can say the surface area of the cube is 864 square feet. Try this one. What if a cube has a side length of 25 feet? Remember, the formula for surface area of a cube is 6A squared. What if the cube has a side length of 100 yards? What if the cube has a side length of 15 kilometers? What would the surface area be?